Understanding Headphone Controls, Simplified. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's both practical and relevant in our daily lives: headphone controls. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a regular commuter, or just someone who enjoys the convenience of headphones, understanding the functionality of headphone controls can enhance your experience. Let's dive into what they are and how they work. Headphone controls are the buttons or touch-sensitive areas on your headphones that allow you to manage audio without needing to use your connected device directly. These controls can vary depending on the headphone model, but commonly include volume adjustment, play, pause, and track navigation. Some advanced models also integrate voice assistance and call handling capabilities. Physical buttons, simple and tactile, found on many wired and wireless headphones. Functions: volume up, down, play, pause, skip tracks, answer, end calls. Touch controls, sleek and modern, mostly on high-end wireless headphones. Gestures: swipe or tap to control volume, change tracks, etc. Voice controls, hands-free operation, integrated with smart assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Commands: play music, next track, or answer call. 1. Familiarize with your headphones controls. Each model has a unique control setup. 2. Practice the basic functions. Get comfortable with play, pause, volume, and track navigation. 3. Explore advanced features. Use voice commands or discover app-specific functions if available. 4. Safety first. Ensure you're aware of your surroundings, especially when using noise-canceling headphones. Non-responsive controls. Check for battery life or reconnect your headphones. Limited functionality. Some controls may not be compatible with all devices or apps. Damaged controls. Handle your headphones carefully and seek professional repair if needed. We hope this video helps you understand and make the most of your headphone controls. Remember, the key is to familiarize yourself with the specific functionalities of your headphones and use them responsibly. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.